It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, AMG aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver remarks, "Consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package." Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,